So you've got up in the morning or you've come home from work, your house is cold, you've got no hot water. I'm going to give you 4 simple steps just to check before you call out your gas safe registered engineer. Step 1, just check the power is on into your system. You should have a fused spur or even a plug in the wall with a switch. Just make sure that is switched on. I go to a lot of people's houses where they have actually turned it off by mistake and all it needed was a simple flick on. Step 2, go to your timer. So this will be your timer for your heating or hot water. Make sure that the lights are on and that it's actually switched to constant to make sure that it's got the best chance possible of firing up. Third step, go to your room thermostats. This is where you turn your heating up and down. So you might have a simple dial on your wall, or you might even have, say, a smart thermostat like a Hive or a Nest. Make sure they're turned up. They are also calling for heat. Step number 4, then go to your boiler. Make sure it's fired up. It might have a green light or something like that on it. If not, it could be flashing. It might just need resetting. Do the simple thing, turn it off, turn it back on again and just wait and see what happens. If none of those 4 steps work, then by all means give us a call and we'll be happy to come and see you and get you back up and running again as soon as possible.